Hey guys, it's Cool Guy 2.8 here, back with another 001 Game Creator episode. And we're on episode 3 now. I almost did 2. Peace sign, whatever. Yeah. Oh, I just hit the mic. Sorry guys, if that sounded really bad. Again, we got our list, and yes, we will be covering magic and weather. Okay, first off, let's start with... Oh, and also, we'll be fixing that quest that didn't work last time because stuff got changed. This is for the spider quest. We're going to do that first. Detach template. Okay, you're going to want to detach template. I forgot about that. Because if I was to edit in that, that's... Because that's the template that you use to make multiple ones. If I were to change that, then it would change all of them. And you can't do that, so yeah. We're gonna add a trigger, defeated/destroyed. Okay. And now we're gonna do a switch branch, or switch operation actually. And we're gonna turn it on. And we're actually gonna go edit, and we're gonna make our own script, and we're gonna do spider quest. Okay. And now we're going to close. Oh, yeah. Default value want to keep to off. So don't click the on button. And now we'll switch this to Spider Quest. So basically, I should explain it first, actually. A switch branch, it's basically a variable. If you know what that is. It's basically a variable with only 0 and 1. So it makes it much simpler. There's only on or off, which makes it really much simpler for smaller variables where you only need small amounts. Well, 1 or 2. And the cool thing you can do with it is toggle, so it'll like flick in between like a light switch. And that is one thing that I would really like to implement. I don't know what I would do with it, but just interesting. So we're going to turn it on, and you'll see why. So when that gets killed, you'll see why. And now here, talk to. Okay, so now we're going to do a switch branch, and it checks to see if the... Yeah, it explains it right there. It checks to see if the switch is on or off. And it splits into 2 paths based on what the state is. So we're going to do Spider Quest, and if it's on, that means it's done. We'll say, thank you. Here is your reward, and the reward was 100 gold. And we'll just say, in brackets, oh my god. Doesn't like it when we do that, apparently. So, I guess don't use that. Just use the 9 and the 0 brackets. Because I was using... I don't even know what these are called. Like this, beside the P and that. Apparently, don't use them. Okay, those work. Thank you. I don't know why. Maybe it's set to be like a copy-paste. Or like a paste, like Control-V. I don't know. And we'll just say you receive... No, earned. That sounds better. Earned plus 100 gold. And it'll end it. And we'll set it right here too. And if it's switch branch, we'll check. We'll have a switch branch here too. First, let's finish this one actually. So just leave that there. We'll do this one first. And if it's off, that means it's not completed yet. It'll say message box. You liar. Do you want 100 gold? Kill it first. I'll just say okay. Actually, we won't even have a thing. Okay, I'm just gonna organize these because I kind of get a little, yeah. Did you kill the spider yet? Yes. Or actually, wait a minute. What's this one say? Okay, anyway, and we'll just say yes or no. Yes, no. And no will just go on to, well, then kill it. And we'll move this to the no spot. It automatically puts it to the first spot, so that's one thing you got to be careful of. This one, and you say, we'll do a once branch. We're going to move this over a bit because it's getting kind of cluttered here. I'll just move these. Switch branch. Spider quest. And then it'll go right into the off. It'll go right back. It'll connect right into this one saying, you liar, do you want 100 gold? Kill it first. Quest is on. And you say, thank you. You should also have an okay answer if they didn't actually kill it. I just realized that. Okay, there's a node that has nothing. Oh. Okay, we'll have to fix this. Right. Quest is off. It'll connect right into this. We don't actually need this. I'm going to just delete that and just move all this over here. And it'll just go, Spider Quest is on. Thanks again. So then it'll prevent it from going on and on and on, still doing it again. So now we actually have to give them 100 gold. So we'll go here, change money. We're going to do, I know it says add here, but don't ignore that. We're going to change this from set to add, and we'll do add. It was 100 gold, so. Okay. So, yeah. Should probably, do we have one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set this. Do they have, what do they have? What are they doing? Okay, what are they? Sword. Oh, okay. And, yeah. Okay, perfect. Because we start with, so we can buy the sword from them, kill it, and then we'll get the reward. So, oh, shoot. There. Go away, Smelly. Hi there. Would you like to see my shop? Yes. But I know this text is in the way. It's just the sword one. Oh, no. I don't want to buy another one. Finish. And that spider's running around. Uh-oh. 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 Okay, that's an issue. And we died. Game over. Okay, so that's an issue. Let's fix that right now. Well, the best thing we can do is add a fence. Because we could actually, what the heck is it? Oh, right. We could actually fix that, but I don't really want to fix that right now. If you want, you can rewrite it so that it doesn't actually automatically move. We'll add a fence, and we'll just have the entry point right here. So you kind of have to know you want to get there. Now that should work. Sorry, guys. I am being lazy, but Okay, good. It won't come out. Because, yeah, but unless I come... Oh, no, it actually comes out. Ah! Follow me back in here. Okay. And we're gonna die. Okay. But yeah. Okay. Let's do that again. Bye. Sword. Wait, I'm just gonna check. Reload. Use item left control. Next item is X. We'll want to keep that in mind for using our sword. We can change the controls later. Actually, I will go over that. Not in this video, but I will in a future video. I already killed it. You liar. You want to kill it first. Did you kill the spider yet? No. Then kill it. Left control. Oh, right. X. There. Now we actually use our weapon. Okay, let's try and... there, we killed it. Yay. I don't know why there's blood, though, because it's a spider. Thanks again. Wait, what? That's weird. Okay, let's fix that. We might actually want to take this out. Yeah. Okay. So that will make it so that... But then you can get unlimited gold. Okay, so a fix to this is another switch branch. I know, it's complicated, but... switch branch. So we'll call this Spider Quest A. And then this will be Spider Quest B. So the Spider Quest B will be if it's actually completed already. And I got the reward. Off. And on will be... Oopsie. Switch operation. Turn B on. Okay, so that should work now. Oh, I didn't mean to play. I meant to just test. That's better. Spider switch. Okay, that's not right. Okay, that's weird. Technical issues. Be right back. Okay, guys, found the issue. It's because I changed the name, which you really shouldn't do, and that's one thing I really shouldn't have done. And so now you can see these things don't work anymore, and that's why it's doing that. So we gotta just switch them to A now, and that should work now. Sorry, guys, technical issue. That's really a bad habit to do, changing names halfway through. We're gonna have to buy the sword crap. What the heck? Oh, that's right. That one too now. Okay. So we know it works now. Once we fix this. Yeah, that makes a huge, makes it really messy when you change names. And I really that's a very bad habit. I'm going to really discourage you. I discourage using that, changing names of stuff, while you're, yeah, because it really messes stuff up. So just don't do it. Simple as that. I already killed it, you liar. it messes things up. It makes it all messy, and it's not nice. Okay, and yeah, perfect. Okay, done with that now. Let's move on to weather. Let's do weather next, and then we'll finally do spells. Or magic, and we'll do a spell. Okay. Weather. So for weather, it's easy. It's all in the environment tab. All the weather is in here. That makes it very easy. Background, that's not weather. That's not really weather, but you can change the background color if you want. So if I want pink and blue for the upper color and lower color, you'll see. Wait. Makes a cool, like, mixture. And it does that automatically. It's really nice. It makes pretty cool looking stuff. And yeah, it's a really nice detail to games. I'm actually going to turn it off because we don't really need that right now. But if you guys want to, totally go ahead and do that. Fog. So fog, you have to enable fog by clicking enable fog. And here you can change the color of your fog. You can make white. I'm going to make a little gray, just so it's a bit more noticeable. And this is start and end, so top and bottom. So if I did like here, it'd be the entire screen. But if I did, I can kind of just adjust it. I can't give a set, like, specific spot you have to put it, because it's kind of just you have to experiment. So you can see how it's already putting it in, and it makes all the things look foggy, and it just makes a really nice, cool feature. You can also, I already said that. You can also change the color of sun. So if I want, instead of a white one, I can make it a little darker, and I'll turn off fog. Actually, just disable it. You can see it makes everything darker colored. And if I make it like green colored, that's gonna really change it. Yeah, everything's like green. So that could maybe be like night vision mode. I don't know what you'd want to do with it, but I'm gonna keep it at white because it's a little distracting. Wind, that's for affecting with, rain and snow and clouds, where they move, which direction they move. So if I wanted to do them this way, how about? Let's do this rain and snow. It's called rain and snow. They're basically the same. It's the only thing that's different is the sprite you use. So we're gonna just use snow. So here you can change the density. I'm gonna only put it here because there's a lot really. Size variation, only a little. I'll do it like there. And speed range, I'll change it a bit. Opacity range, a little bit more. And movement variation, tiny bit. Okay, so let's test that out now. Now you're gonna see there's the snowflakes that flew. See? Yay! Of course, you can change it to however you want. And yeah. Sprites for clouds now. Clouds, we're just gonna use the EXP pickup for our test. Yeah, gold pickup and points pickup. And density, amount, size variation. Yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna see the clouds are gonna go this direction or this direction, whatever. Oh, I forgot actually to do something. Speed range, you want to turn that up a bit because it won't actually do anything. Opacity, we can turn down a bit. And now randomly flip horizontally or vertically. It'll like flip them horizontally and vertically, so it makes it more like different ones. Well, it's not different ones, but it looks, yeah. So you can see this is really slow, and there's a lot of them. So you can tell you really don't need a lot. So we can turn down the density, turn up the speed. See, this is game making at its finest. You have to test a lot. So yeah, so we're now going to turn this off because it's kind of, or set the, actually, you know what? You can actually just turn down the density amount and then it won't spawn any density amount. And yeah, so that's all off now if you want to turn it off. And now for the most requested one is magic. So, excuse me. Magic is a massive topic. Like, I'm talking really big. So, to make this easier, we'll do it bits and pieces in every video. And today's video, we're going to be doing making your own spell, which, pretty cool. Yeah. So, first you're going to want to go into items and magic. Second, you're going to want to go in common. And you're going to want to create your own add resource. Now, we're going to make this a healing spell. There we go. Must have not clicked on it enough because my mouse can be a little funky. Healing spell. Description. A spell that heals. And now we're going to make this magic because it's magic. And we're going to... Oops. No, I didn't mean to do that. You can keep that like there. None. Sound effects. So, sound effects, you can do a sound effect when they use it on target after impact. So, it'll make a sound once you use it. And you can also make a sprite for when you're holding it. And pretty cool. I'm not going to do a sound effect because I have no sound effects right now. And I'm not going to do a sprite because I have no sprites on user. But we're going to actually make our own icon for the healing spell, and we're going to do it in icon image edit. And now you're going to want to, you can make whatever you want, but I'm going to make it like a circle, and we're going to move it over a bit. I dislike when it does that. And we're going to, this is just how I'm doing mine. And move it up slightly. Black line. It's not, let's just use the straight line tool. There. Edit, undo actually. Let's make like a little. And that'll be the cork. I can make a better drawing than normally, but I'm just doing a quick one for the video so you guys aren't waiting. Ooh, that looks really interesting, I guess. We'll do like a little like square here. And we're gonna center that. And gonna erase a bit off the edges actually, so it looks like an actual label. Just make it a little more realistic. I actually like that with the little pixel effects, so it looks almost like it's ripped. And we're gonna make a little itty bitty, like, oh, not that big. Little like plus for, because that's like medicine and stuff. Sure, and now you can fill it with whatever color you want. I'm gonna make it a line here, and then fill. I guess it didn't cross go it across. There. And there we go. Yay! Now we got our little blue elixir. Well, not elixir, but our healing spell. I like that color. And it's a really good drawing. Now we're going to want to go into logistics and statistic. We're going to want to change this to 0.05 so that it has time to actually work a bit, because at 0.01 it won't really work. And then we're going to want to do cost in statistics to use. We're going to make it 10 MP points to use. And on target, we're going to make it heal 25 HP. And we're going to turn off can be sold. And we're going to turn off we're going to make ammo loss per use 0 because it's a spell and we don't want to lose it. I know I made an elixir, but I just wanted that picture because it looks cool. But there actually is elixir. Cool. So we're going to save. And then there you go. Now you got your own healing spell. That wraps it up for today's video. Anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to say I have been making my own game. And I'm going to be putting it up on my website. And I'll have it available for download. It's not yet available for download, so hold up. It will be available for download sometime in the future. I'm not exactly sure when, because it's been taking me a while to make the website and all that and finish it up to the first version. Still in early access. It's not complete, but if you want to try it out, download it yourself, play it yourself, then yeah, wait, that'll be in the future, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. But finally, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like or a comment, as it really helps me out, but don't feel like you have to. You can subscribe for more gaming and unboxing videos every week. If you did leave a dislike, please tell me why, as I'm always trying to improve my videos. Thank you. Goodbye.